How to clear all messages at once on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Snapchat and make sure that you have a latest version. So once you are on your Snapchat, just click on your profile icon and then hit your settings or a gear bar at the very top of your screen. Now scroll down until you find the option privacy control. Just scroll up and you can see the option here. Here is the privacy control. If you have the latest version, you can see in a privacy control the clear option. So if you have older version like me, just scroll down to account action and you can see the clear option here. And you can see all your chats here. If you want to delete all the messages in one click, just hit that crossbar in front of the username. Just hit that crossbar and you can easily remove whole chat at once. And you can easily delete all the chats here. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.